UFC lightweight division has been heating up. Justin Gaethje and Islam Makhachev, they have been going at each other. Islam Makhachev is ranked number 4. Justin Gaethje is ranked number 2. During the press conference and fight week for UFC 268, Justin Gaethje said that if I win this fight and I don't get the title shot, I will go on a riot. Last week, Justin Gaethje said to Islam Makhachev that you have not done your job right now. You have fought a guy like Dan Hooker who was on a 3-fight losing streak, and for this fight he did not even had a proper camp. So you defeat him and you want to be jumped over somebody like Beneil Dariush who is on rank number 8? Go fight him and do your fucking job. When Islam Makhachev learnt about this, he responded to him with an image and the caption that we will go to the fucking war. They are managed by the same manager, Justin Gaethje, Islam Makhachev and Beneil Dariush, Ali Abdelaziz from Dominance MMA. So if there has to be a fight made between any three of them, then it won't be a big problem if any two of them is going to have any desire to fight each other. So Justin Gaethje has a great argument to fight for the title next because he lost his last fight for the title challenger against Habib Nurmagomedov. Then he came back and won a fight against Michael Chandler. But Islam Makhachev has a solid case for being a title challenger too. He is on a 9-fight win streak. He has dominated his every opponent. There never have been a point in his UFC career that somebody has landed a shot on Islam Makhachev that wobbled him. You have to know that he has the best significant strike rate accuracy along with Justin Gaethje in UFC lightweight division. They both have 59%. But there is one massive difference between Justin Gaethje and Islam Makhachev, where on Justin Gaethje on average per minute 8 punches has landed. On Islam Makhachev, opponent has been only able to land less than 1 punch per minute. So that says everything. He has not taken even little damage in his UFC career right now. So that's how dominant Islam Makhachev is. If you look at other divisions, Alexander Rakic has been calling out Jiri Prohaska, who is going to fight for the title next against Glover Teixeira. Leon Edwards used to call out Gilbert Burns. Gilbert Burns is now doing the same thing to Leon Edwards because they know that that's the guy to beat. If I beat him, I will be the straight up guy. There will be no case to be made if I beat the who has another case. But Justin Gaethje has not done that yet. He has said that he did not beat anybody who was ranked in top 5. But he till now have not said that I would like to fight him. Let's fight and see who is the best, who has the best case for a shot at UFC lightweight title. Whoever wins gets the shot. When he had an opportunity, he suggested somebody else name, Beneil Dariush name, who is a good friend of Justin Gaethje and who is also familiar very well with Islam Makhachev. And if Justin Gaethje will call out Islam Makhachev, will he respond to that? Will he be open to fighting him? Most likely it will be. Because if you noticed during the fight week for UFC 267, Islam Makhachev said that I will have to fight, I think, one more fight to get to the title shot. I will fight the loser of Dustin Poirier and Charles Oliveira or somebody else. I would like to fight for the title shot if I can get after this fight, but I think I will have one more fight. So that's the only thing which is left to be said between these two gentlemen. They are both great fighters and I hope they both get their shot at the title. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.